Welcome. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the simple steps to send the last image from your clipboard on WhatsApp using your PC. With the latest update, this process has become even more streamlined. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Whether you're using WhatsApp Web or the desktop application, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, locate the chat where you want to send your image. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. Next, click on the Clips icon in the chat window. You'll find this icon near the text box where you usually type messages. It looks like a small paperclip and serves as the attachment tool for sending files, images, and videos. Once you click the Clips icon, select the option for images. This will open a file picker or gallery view where you can choose an image to send. Since your clipboard already contains the image you want to share, it should appear as one of the options available for selection. Finally, click on the image and hit Send. WhatsApp will upload and deliver the image to your chosen chat instantly. It's that easy. This method ensures that you can quickly share images without saving them separately to your device. That wraps up our tutorial on sending clipboard images via WhatsApp on PC. By following these steps, you can save time and enhance your messaging experience. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next guide.